Hello students, welcome to our class and start our learning with Let's Learn. And our today's topic is Effects of Refraction of Light from chapter 6 Refraction of Light. So let's see what are the effects of the refraction of light. So these are twinkling of stars, mirage, bent pencil in the glass of water, rainbow, sunset. So these are some examples of refraction of light. So let's see one by one. So first is a twinkling of star. Why do the stars twinkle? We can see the stars in the sky at night. So what is the reason behind this? Yes, the reason is a refraction of light. The reason is a atmospheric refraction because this is our earth and the atmosphere having a different layers as seen in this picture. The atmosphere surrounded by the earth having a different layer, and we know when the light ray comes from the rarer medium to denser medium, then we know the light ray change its direction. So when we come from top to down, top to bottom, then the density decreases, then the density increases. When we go from top to down, the density increases. Understand? The first layer is a higher densed layer, then lower dense, okay, as seen in picture. So when we come from top to bottom, top to down, the density increases. So for example, this is the actual position of star when the light ray, and we know the star is a self-luminous object. Stars are self-luminous object. That means stars having a light of its own. So when the light ray comes from the, and it is a point object. Why? Because the distance of the stars, because the distance of the star are very large. Okay, so they appear to be the point source. It's clear. So when the light ray comes from the star, then that means the rarer medium to the denser medium, one by one. This is a denser medium, then again denser medium, then the last layer is a also more denser medium. So when the light ray comes from the rarer to denser, then we know the light ray bend down towards the normal, again bend down towards the normal, and when the light ray reaches on the earth, this light ray reaches on the earth, that means then we can see, we are able to see the different position of this star, that is this. It's clear. When we draw a straight line from here, then we got the different position of the star. So this is the reason. And we know the air, because air is a moving object, air is moving, so all the time the density changes, density of this layer changes. So every time the refractive index of this medium also change. Because of the change in refractive index, we got the different positions of these stars. But the distance is very large from us, so these stars appear to twinkling. It's clear. So this is the reason the stars twinkle. Okay, just see in this picture, man, the refraction of the light ray comes from this star. Light ray comes from this star, and the border of this layer the light ray bent down because of the light ray comes from the rarer medium to denser medium. Again, this layer is a rarer to the inner layer. So again light ray bend down towards the normal. Again, this layer is a rarer to the this inner layer. So again light ray bend down, and when the light ray becomes to us, reaches to us, then we got the apparent position of that star. And every time the density changes, every time the density change in density of these layers. So that's why the different positions of the star, we found the different position of the star, but the star are at a very large space, large distance. So that's why they appear as a blinking, as a twinkling. It's clear. So this is the reason behind this. We see the twinkling of the star. Again, this is a diagram from your textbook. So main reason is a refractive index, atmospheric refractive index. Change in atmospheric refractive index is the reason behind this. Okay, this is the actual position of the star, and this is the apparent position of the star. Okay, and one thing again, important thing, the stars are at very large distance. So this is a reason behind this, the twinkling of the star. Okay, I hope you understood the reason behind this, the twinkling of the star. If you got any problem, you can message me, and using this code to join the Google Classroom and to get homework, notes and solutions. Thank you very much.